There was one factor which we did yesterday, which influences enzymatic activity. What was it, beta?
Temperature.
After some time, I'll take the attendance. After 5 minutes, I'll take the attendance, not now. Okay. The second factor which we are going to discuss, which influences enzymatic activity, is the pH beta. Most of the enzymes, they work on neutral pH. Okay. Most of the enzymes, their best performance or their optima is at neutral pH, but some of them are exceptions. I'm giving you the exceptions. See, this is an example, salivary amylase. It gives its performance as 6.8. If you see, it is very close to the neutral pH. What is neutral pH?
7.
7.
So this is an example to tell you that most of the enzymes, they work at neutral pH. However, there are some exceptions which I'm giving you. There are some enzymes, for example, pepsin. Pepsin, is present in the stomach and the medium is acidic. So there the pH is around 1.2 to 1.8. Discuss about another. One more enzyme which works in basic medium, and that is trypsin. I hope you've read till now whatever is mentioned on the screen very quickly. See beta. One by one you all are coming. So it's most of the enzymes, they work at neutral pH. You can give this with the help of an example, salivary amylase, that is 6.8, around 7. However, there are exceptions. Give an example of pepsin. This gives its best performance in acidic medium. You know it is present in the stomach where the pH is 1.2 to 1.8. Similarly, trypsin beta. This enzyme, you'll find it in intestines where the medium is basic, and it gives its best performance from 8.6 to 8.8. So all the three variations you have, most of them at neutral pH, pepsin in acidic medium and trypsin in basic medium. All the enzymes, they have an optimum pH, okay, that is neutral. Most of the enzymes, I told you, what is their optimum pH? It is the neutral pH. But different enzymes have different optimum pH. There is a difference here, which I'm going to tell you something very important. All enzymes of our body have the same optima temperature. If you remember yesterday, I showed the graph to you. All the enzymes have the same optimum temperature, but each enzyme has a different pH optima. That means the pH is going to be different from different enzymes. The optima pH for different enzymes is different, but the optimum temperature of all the enzymes present in the body is the same only. Got the main difference between pH and temperature, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
enzymes in your body, all the enzymes in your body, there is a certain temperature where they will show their maximum performance. सबसे maximum active हो जाएंगे enzymes. That temperature is called optimum temperature. And all enzymes के लिए optimum temperature same रहेगा. But if you talk about pH beta, there are so many enzymes in your body. I just gave you an example. Salivary amylase is present in the human body, but uska optimum pH is 6.8. Similarly, pepsin is also present in our body, but the optimum pH is 1.2 to 1.8. Trypsin is also present in the human body, but the pH is 8.6 to 8.8. Why these three examples I have given you is to tell you that all the enzymes in the human body do not have the same optimum pH. They have a different optima pH. But optima temperature जो है बेटा वो same रहता है. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All enzymes in your body have the same optima temperature or same optima pH?
Optimum temperature.
Temperature.
And do all enzymes of the human body have the same optima pH?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
For this, I discussed three examples with you. One enzyme which works in a neutral, around a neutral pH. Which enzyme it was?
Salivary amylase.
Salivary amylase.
Basically, it is in the mouth where the medium is neutral. Then we give you an example of an enzyme which works where the optima is in acidic level. And that is which enzyme, children?
Pepsin.
Pepsin.
Okay. And then we had another enzyme which is present in the intestine, and this works in basic medium. And that is which enzyme?
Trypsin.
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 So these are the three examples which I have told you just to explain one thing to you, beta. कि जो temperature है, optima temperature वो all enzymes के लिए same है in the human body. But optima pH जो है, that is not the same. All the enzymes of our body have the same temperature optima, but each enzyme has a different pH optima. Okay. Now we are moving on to the third factor which affects the enzymatic activities, that is concentration of substrate. There are three factors which affect the activity of enzymes. Which was the first one, children, very quickly?
Temperature.
Temperature.
And temperature इतना complicated नहीं है because all enzymes have the same optima temperature. And हमने कल ये भी पढ़ा था, बेटा, do all enzymes in human body work at optimum temperature?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
They do not work at optimum temperature because अगर वो optimum temperature पे work करेंगे, then उनकी activity बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगी. And इतना ज़्यादा metabolism is not needed in the human body. I also told you कि एक condition ऐसी आती है जब एंजाइम्स ऑप्टिमा पे एक्ट करने लगते हैं. What is that condition when we are feeling?
Feverish.
Feverish.
Feverish. Some pathogen has entered your body, some stomach infection is there, yeah, anything, any disorder in the body, any harmful particle has entered your body. So you will have the body temperature rises. So heat energy aa jati hai. As soon as the body temperature rises, when you feel feverish, it is heat energy. Heat energy gives more energy to the enzymes, and enzymes start working at the optima. Up enzymes, when they act at optima, they are maximum active beta. So when they become maximum active, they kill that harmful pathogen in your body. So halka fulka fever, feverish, it is good for you. This shows that your enzymes are fighting the infection. But I also told you that high fever is not good. Why? Yesterday only we discussed. Most of you did not join
Destroy
the
the
second meeting
enzyme.
I discussed. Excellent. Most of the high fever is not good because high temperature pe the enzymes get destroyed or they get denatured. That is why high fever is not good. Second factor we have already done, that is pH, and different enzymes have a different pH. Now we are moving on to the third and the last factor which affects the enzyme activity, that is concentration of substrate. बेटा कल हमने पढ़ा था कि enzyme has active sites with which substrate molecules bind. You remember? If you remember, I'll
Ma'am.
show you
Yes, ma'am.
something like this. You remember
Yes,
this is what
ma'am.
I had made. in
Yes,
the-
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So these are the active sites and what binds to them? The substrates. Okay. I'll go back now and let me explain it to you. Now, let us assume an enzyme which has 1000 attachment sites for substrate. बेटा ये वाला जो एंजाइम हम लोग स्टडी कर रहे हैं जस्ट फॉर सैंपल, इसमें कितनी सबस्ट्रेट साइट्स हम लोगों ने ड्रॉ करी थी? If you see 1
2.
and 2. How many sites were there? Only 2
Two.
active sites.
So,
Let us imagine an enzyme which has 1000 active sites. एक ऐसा imagine कर लेते हैं. Very complex enzyme which has 1000 active sites. So how many substrates can go and fit in these sites?
1000.
1000.
1000 का maximum हो गया हमारा. ठीक है? हम ये मान लेते हैं there is an enzyme which has 1000 attachment site for substrate. अब आपने substrate का concentration increase कर दिया. 100 molecules of substrate हैं. So 100 molecules of substrate will give you how many molecules of product? 100 molecules.
100.
Because बेशक site 1000 है, लेकिन आपने substrate molecule कितने attach करे हैं?
100.
100.
So 900 active sites खाली हैं अभी भी. आपने सिर्फ कितने ऐड कर दिए बेटा?
100.
100.
100 molecules. चलिए substrate concentration और बढ़ा दे रहे हैं. हमने 200 molecules of substrate ऐड कर दिए. So how many active sites are still vacant?
800.
800.
800.
Product that you are getting is 200 only. अब हमने
200.
पूरे 1000 molecules of substrate introduce कर दिए and पूरी 1000 की 1000 sites हमारी fill हो गई. And then the product is also 1000. अब हम आगे
1000.
चलते हैं. हम beyond 1000 चलते हैं. Supposing हमने 1100 substrate molecules ले लिए. अब क्या होगा? Do you think 1100 will fit into the enzyme?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
Only
ma'am.
1000 will fit.
Only 1000 can fit because active sites are only how many? Thousands. अब देखो
1000.
बेटा, we have taken 1100 substrate molecules, but active sites are only 1000. जब तक कोई active site free नहीं होगी, obviously no molecule is going to bind. So look at this equation. 1100 substrate molecules में भी product तो maximum कितना आएगा बेटा?
1000.
1000.
It cannot be 1100. यहाँ पे देखते हैं हम लोग ऊपर जब हमने चेंज किया था तो क्या करा था? जब हमने 100 लिया था, 100 molecules of substrate, 100 molecules of product, 200 substrate, 200 product, 1000 substrate, 1000 product. But
1000
if I
product.
take 1100 substrate, concentration substrate का बढ़ाते गए तो हमारा product बढ़ता चला गया. But अगर हमने 1000 से ऊपर क्रॉस करा substrate, तो did the amount of product change?
No.
No,
It did
No,
not change. It remained
No.
the same. It remained how much?
1000.
1000 only. Same thing I'm trying to tell you with the help of a graph. देखो बेटा ये substrate concentration है, ये arrow इधर है, यानी मैं substrate concentration बढ़ाते जा रही हूँ. पहले 100 फिर 200, ठीक है, ये हो गया 1000 वाला point. आप देख रहे हो ये वाला जो point हो गया, ये क्या हो गया? 1000.
1000.
1000 पे all active sites are occupied. At this temperature, what is happening is all active sites are occupied. कितने substrate
Occupied.
molecules add हो चुके होंगे बेटा यहाँ तक?
1000.
1000.
हमने ये मान लिया शुरू में 100 ऐड हुए, तो आप देख रहे हो एंजाइम एक्शन बढ़ गया. ग्राफ को कंपेयर करके चलते हैं. सपोजिंग यहाँ पे हमने 100 सबस्ट्रेट मॉलिक्यूल्स लिए तो इतना था, 100 प्रोडक्ट बन रहा था. फिर हमने 300 मॉलिक्यूल सबस्ट्रेट बढ़ा दिया, तो आप देखो आपका ग्राफ राइज कर रहा है. दैट मीन्स अब आपके प्रोडक्ट भी कितने बनेंगे? 300. फिर हमने 500 कर दिया बेटा, सबस्ट्रेट को इधर बढ़ाते जा रहे हैं. आप देखो आपका ग्राफ शूट अप कर रहा है, तो आपका प्रोडक्ट भी कितना होगा विद 500 सबस्ट्रेट्स? 500 substrate molecules will give you how many molecules of product?
500.
500.
अब और बढ़ा दिया, हम यहाँ तक आ गए, ये 1000 तक आ गए बेटा. 1000 substrate molecules ले लिए तो प्रोडक्ट कितना मिला?
1000.
1000.
This is the peak बेटा. अब यहाँ पे आते ही all active sites are occupied. We had 1000 active sites, all active sites are occupied. अब इसके बाद आप कितना भी सबस्ट्रेट कॉन्सेंट्रेशन इंक्रीज करो, आपका प्रोडक्ट तो बेटा 1000 ही रहेगा. कैन यू सी द स्ट्रेट लाइन आई हैव शोन? देयर इज नो चेंज. अभी स्टेडी हो गया, ये कांस्टेंट हो गया. 1000 से ऊपर प्रोडक्ट नहीं बनेगा, चाहे आप सबस्ट्रेट मॉलिक्यूल्स 2000 ले लो, चाहे 3000 ले लो, बिकॉज द नंबर ऑफ सबस्ट्रेट मॉलिक्यूल जो एंजाइम एक्टिव साइट्स पे अटैच होंगे, दे आर ओनली हाउ मेनी कैन अटैच? ओनली
1000.
1000.
So our product will not go beyond 1000. That will be the
1000.
maximum. So what does this graph explain? कि जब हमने शुरू में substrate को increase करा, product बढ़ता गया, बढ़ता गया, बढ़ता गया. And when we reached at this point, जहाँ सारे active sites occupied हो गई, इसके बाद product constant हो गया. 1000 के बाद नहीं बढ़ेगा. The rate becomes steady. When all the sites of the enzyme are occupied, even if we increase the substrate molecule, the enzyme action will not increase. So conclusion क्या आया बेटा? What is the conclusion? With increase in the amount of substrate molecules, the enzyme activity increases and after a certain time it becomes constant. शुरू में तो increase हो रही थी, 100 से 100 बन रहा था, फिर substrate को increase करके 300 करा तो product भी 300 हो गया. फिर हमने substrate increase करके 500 करा तो product भी कितना हो गया? 500. But 1000 के बाद अगर आप increase करते रहोगे तो भी product is not going to increase. Is it clear? Let's read the conclusion again. With increase in the amount of substrate molecules, the enzyme activity increases. Please see the graph. When substrate is increasing, the enzyme activity is also increasing. But after this, it becomes constant. यहाँ पे आके ये steady हो जाता है, constant हो जाता है, because all active sites are filled or not now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So ये कब steady होगा? The concentration it will become is when all the attachment sites are filled. When all sites are filled. So this is all about factors which affect enzyme action. How many factors we have done?
3.
3
Three
factors.
factors. The first factor was
Temperature.
temperature. Okay. Very quickly, first let me take the attendance. Akash is there?
Present, ma'am.
Akash. Okay, beta. Anshika? Anshika Singh. Aradhe?
Present, ma'am.
Ariba?
Present, ma'am.
Ayush Gupta? Ayush Patel?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Ayush Patel is present, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Drishti?
Present, ma'am.
Harshita? Mansi? Prabha? Raghav?
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Raghav is present, no?
Ma'am, Prabhav.
Prabhav is present. Okay. Ritul?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Sanvi?
Present, ma'am.
Shimail? Shimail, are you there? No. Shrishti? Soham?
Present,
Soham is not? Uditi? Uditi? Not there. Surprising. Vaidehi? Okay, Ayush Gupta is saying mark me present. There is some problem in his mic. So let's mark Ayush Gupta also present. Okay, wait, Uditi is not there today.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I'm there. Ma'am,
Ah,
did you
that's what
took
I
my
thought.
name?
Bache, what's your name?
Anshika, ma'am.
Anshika, I took your name, but you did not speak. So I marked you up. Anyway, I'll mark you present now. Vaidehi, are you
Ma'am,
there?
no, ma'am, she is in.
She's not there. Sony? Sony,
Present,
Sony
ma'am.
is there? Okay, first let me mark present, then let me know if I missed out somebody. Pragya? Pragya is there? No. Mohammed Shazir? Ananya? Anshul? Mahi? Aryan Raj?
Yes, ma'am.
And Vivek Raj, new admission. Vivek Raj, is he there? Just took admission yesterday. Vivek Raj, are you there? He took admission yesterday only. Okay. Name. Harshita? Mansi.
Present.
Okay, beta, I'm marking Mansi also present.
Ma'am, even I was disconnected, Uditi.
I was just wondering how you are not there. So only I marked absent Harshita. Harshita, sure she's not there now?
I'm present.
Okay, thank God, that's why I confirm. Shimail, because beta internal marks will be based lot on attendance, I'm telling you. I don't know we'll have practicals or not. Shimail, Shrishti, Vedehi, Pragya, Shazar, Ananya, Anshul, and Mahi, Vivek Raj. These are the children I marked absent. So you've got 26.
You marked me present.
Who is this me, my dear?
Ma'am, actually Prabhav.
Prabhav. Prabhav, you are present. I marked you present. Now you have
Okay.
26 biology students after Vivek Raj has joined. Now you are 26. Beta ji, what are the three factors which affect enzymatic activity? सबको समझ में आ गया? Temperature is clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
pH is clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And what was the last factor which influences enzymatic activity I discussed with you, beta? Concentration of substrate. What is the last factor, children?
Concentration of substrate.
Concentration of substrate.
So first, when you increase the substrate, the activity of enzyme is going to increase, and after a certain time, it becomes constant. Kab constant ho jata hai, beta? Tell me, when does the activity become constant?
When all the sites are filled.
Yes, when all the sites are filled. I hope all the three factors are clear. If everybody is okay, to aage chalte hain. Tell me, everybody is confident about all the three factors?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll move on to the next topic for today. I want to finish this chapter, beta, before Diwali. We just have 2 days more classes, Wednesday and Thursday. So tomorrow, I'll be taking up nomenclature of enzymes, how to name enzymes, and then day after tomorrow, some interesting facts about enzymes. That's all. Chaliye, inhibition of enzyme action. What do you mean by inhibition, beta? Inhibition matlab kya hota hai?
Stop, to stop.
To stop or
prevent.
Basically to stop or to prevent. Now we are going to study how enzyme action is inhibited. There are 3 ways by which enzyme action is inhibited. I don't know, the Air Force people have to do all the flying today in this class only. 3 ways by which enzyme action is inhibited. What is the first one? Read on the screen. What is this inhibition called? Competitive inhibition.
Competitive inhibition.
Inhibition.
Is it okay beta? Competitive inhibition. बहुत easy है, जैसे musical chair होता है. अगर 2 chairs हैं and 2 लोग भाग रहे हैं तो competition as such कुछ खास है नहीं है. एक chair पे एक बैठ जाएगा, दूसरे पे दूसरा बैठ जाएगा. मतलब जीतने के chances दोनों के पास बराबर बराबर हैं. It is 50-50%. Exactly same thing happens in competitive inhibition beta. See, there is a competition between the substrate and the inhibitor. Ye S, what is S, children? This is your substrate and this is your inhibitor. Any substance, koi bhi inhibitor ho sakta hai. Now both of them are having a competition. They want to go and bind at these active sites. How many active sites you can see in this enzyme?
2.
2 active sites. So there is going to be a competition. अब लेकिन competition ज़्यादा deadly नहीं है, because दो चीजें हैं. There is one substrate and one inhibitor. दोनों के पास अपना अपना site है. This substrate will go and bind over here and एक complex बन जाएगा. This inhibitor will also go and bind over here. तो ये भी मिल गया. That means if both are there, then 50% chances of substrate and 50% chances of inhibitor. 50% बेटा इसने ले ली साइड and 50% इसमें ले ली. So दो तरह के कॉम्प्लेक्स बने. Yesterday we said जो कॉम्प्लेक्स बनता था वो किसका बनता था? Enzyme substrate. You remember we had a complex which was made. What was the name of the complex? When this fits into this, what was that complex which is formed?
Enzyme substrate complex.
Complex.
Was it temporary or was it permanent?
It was temporary.
It was temporary. You remember temporary because थोड़ी देर के बाद enzyme अलग हो जाता है substrate से. If you actually attended yesterday's class. So यहाँ पे दो complex बनेंगे. The first complex which is formed is enzyme substrate complex, and second complex बेटा ये बनेगा E plus I complex. That means enzyme plus inhibitor complex. Is it okay for all of you? ये substrate यहाँ पे bind कर गया, so एक complex यहाँ पे बन गया. So 50% तो क्या बना? Enzyme substrate complex, and बाकी 50% कौन सा complex बन रहा है बेटा?
Inhibitor complex.
Enzyme inhibitor complex.
Inhibitor complex.
Very good. Now we all know that ये तो temporary होता है. I have already told you earlier in the classes that which which complex is temporary?
Enzyme substrate complex.
So अब आपका ये complex था enzyme substrate complex, ये temporary होता है. When this is going to dissociate, आपका product बनता है and enzyme is free again. Now this enzyme has again become free, children. चलिए वापस चलते हैं. Let me ask a question. ये substrate तो अलग हो जाएगा from the complex because we said this is a temporary complex. So substrate अलग हो गया. How many sites have become empty in this? 50% पे substrate था, 50% पे inhibitor था. So ये तो temporary complex था, ये break कर गया. अब ये वाली site खाली हो गई नहीं हो गई बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
हो गई ना? So 50% site is again blank. Again some substrate can come and fit over here. But if you see activity तो कम हो गया ना, enzyme activity reduce हो गया. Let's do this. Enzyme plus substrate complex will give you product plus enzyme. So enzyme, I made a circle, मतलब आपका enzyme फिर से free हो गया. So 50% sites are again free to bind. But ये वाला जो complex बनेगा आपका, ये वाला, ये कौन सा complex बना?
Enzyme inhibitor complex.
Enzyme inhibitor complex.
This is a permanent complex. The main difference is this is a permanent complex. So once this I is going to fit over here, अब ये enzyme से अलग नहीं होगा. तो ये जो 50% साइट है ये permanently बंद हो गई, permanently block हो गई है. अब substrate यहाँ पे add on नहीं हो पाएगा. So बेटा अगर आप ध्यान से देखो, even in the next step, आपका product reduce हो जाएगा by how much percent? 50%. E plus I complex is permanent. So 50% sites are permanently blocked. So the product formation reduces by how much percent beta?
50%.
50%.
Because normal cases में हम लोगों का क्या हो रहा था, जो हमने कल पढ़ा था, ये पढ़ा था, अगर हम इसको फिर से देखें कि यहाँ पे भी substrate जाता है, यहाँ पे भी substrate जाता है, temporary complex बनता है, दोनों substrate आपस में bind करके product बना लेते हैं, और ये दोनों साइड खाली हो जाती है. Again यहाँ पे भी आ जाता है, यहाँ पे भी आ जाता है. But in this case, this complex is a permanent complex, enzyme inhibitor complex. So once your inhibitor enters the site, ये यहाँ से नहीं हटेगा. It's going to be here only. So आपकी सिर्फ ये वाली site खाली हो रही है. तो product जो next step में आएगा, that will be only 50% of what it should be originally. So don't you feel there is a competition between the substrate and inhibitor?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
that is why बेटा अब देखो कैसे कम होगा. शुरू में 100 था, फिर 50% रह गया. अगले स्टेप में 50% of 50 got it 25%. फिर उससे भी कम. Slowly the product decreases and it means कि enzyme action क्या हो गया आपका decrease हो गया. Is it okay? I'm giving you an example to understand this better. Normal reaction में क्या होता है? this is my substrate. What is the name of the substrate? Succinate. Okay, just see the equation. Let me explain the equation to you. Whatever concept I have explained, I'm giving you an example to understand this. Just see the equation. Whenever you see these equations, you have to keep in mind what I told you. What I told you is, अगर inhibitor add हो जाएगा, then rate of reaction or product will increase or decrease.
Decrease.
Degrees.
Because 50% sites are occupied permanently by the inhibitor. Which complex was a permanent complex, beta? SI?
Enzyme inhibitor complex.
Yes. So will those sites be vacant?
No.
No, ma'am.
Inhibitor wala? They will not be vacant. So your product will keep on decreasing at every step. What is this
Yep.
kind of an inhibition known as?
Competitive in
Competitive inhibition.
Competitive
In this
inhibition.
equation which I have given you, कौन सा substrate देख रहे हो बेटा?
succinate.
Succinate. Okay. Arrow पे enzyme है. What is the name of the enzyme over here? Succinate dehydrogenase. What is the name of the
Dehydrogenase.
enzyme?
Succinate dehydrogenase.
Succinate dehydrogenase.
चलो अब देखो, ये आपका एंजाइम हो गया. दिस इज योर एंजाइम. द नेम ऑफ द एंजाइम इज सक्सिनेट डीहाइड्रोजिनेज. अगर दोनों जगह पे सक्सिनेट सबस्ट्रेट रहता तो हमारा प्रोडक्ट बनता फ्यूमरेट. ओके, व्हाट वुड यू गेट बेटा? फ्यूमरेट.
Fumarate.
Here everybody, we would have got fumarate. But
Yes, ma'am.
now there is an inhibitor over here. Okay, malonate. What does M stand for? Malonate.
Malonate.
Now you have got two things. One, the substrate जिसका नाम है succinate, and ये inhibitor आ गया एक. What is the name of this? Malonate.
Malonate.
There will be very good. There's
Malonate.
going to be a competition now. बहुत बढ़िया. Competition में यहाँ पे in this active site कौन fit हो जाएगा? Succinate or malonate?
Succinate.
Succinate. And temporary complex बन जाएगा. And यहाँ वाली साइड पे कौन सा inhibitor molecule fit हो गया?
Malonate.
Malonate.
तो फ्यूमरेट तो सिर्फ किससे बनता है? एंजाइम जब किसके साथ बाइंड करता है? कौन से सबस्ट्रेट के साथ?
Succinate.
Succinate.
अगर दोनों जगह सक्सिनेट होता तो यहाँ भी फ्यूमरेट बनता, यहाँ भी फ्यूमरेट बनता, बट अब ऐसा नहीं है.
Yes, ma'am.
The 50% of fumarate will be formed. Only how much percent will be formed? 50%.
50%.
And ये malonate तो यहाँ पे आके permanently बैठ जाएगा, ये यहाँ से हटेगा ही नहीं. अब ये बाद में जब ये फ्री हो जाएगा, फिर 50% का भी 50%, फिर उससे भी कम, so it will keep on decreasing. This kind of inhibition is known as which inhibition, beta?
Competitive inhibition.
Competitive inhibition.
Where we saw when this succinate substrate fits into the enzyme succinate dehydrogenase, we were getting two molecules of fumarate. अगर दोनों के दोनों substrate हमारे succinate होते, we would have got two molecules of fumarate. But अब problem ये है कि one place you have succinate, the other place you have an inhibitor molecule. What is the name of the inhibitor that I've just told you? What is this?
Malonate.
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 अब फ्यूमरेट यहाँ तो बनेगा नहीं बेटा, ये तो परमानेंट कॉम्प्लेक्स बन गया. फ्यूमरेट सिर्फ यहाँ पे बनेगा. We have another kind of inhibition which is known as non-competitive inhibition. Is it okay? We are done with competitive inhibition. Everybody is okay? Understood? Should I move on to non-competitive?
Yes, ma'am.
This is non-competitive inhibition. Condition बिल्कुल same है. What I told you. This is your enzyme. This is your substrate and this I is your inhibitor. But अगर आप shape देखो बेटा, ऊपर चलो, इन दोनों की shape same थी. Whether it was succinate or it was malonate, दोनों की shape same है. That means हमारा substrate and हमारा inhibitor दोनों की shape क्या है? Same है ना बेटा? तो वो easily
ma'am.
वो इसके अंदर fit हो जाता है, ये इसके अंदर fit हो जाता है. बट आप इसको कंपेयर करो, आप देखो इनहिबिटर की शेप बिल्कुल अलग है. कैन यू सी द स्ट्रक्चर?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
will not fit. This will not fit into this. This will not fit. If it is not fitting, तो ये inhibitor कैसे हो गया? That is a matter of interest. अगर ये यहाँ पे fit होता तो हमारा product कम कर देता. But ये तो इसमें fit ही नहीं होगा. And why it is not fitting? Because if we go according to the lock and key mechanism which I had explained to you, how many of you remember? I don't know. तो ये exactly it should fit into this, but it will not bind this. Such an inhibition is non-competitive inhibition. लेकिन ये आई जो है ये ऐसा नहीं है कि बाइंड नहीं करेगा, आई बाइंड करेगा बेटा एंजाइम को. द ओनली थिंग इज कि वो यहाँ पे बाइंड नहीं करेगा, क्योंकि ये तो स्पेस बिल्कुल एग्जैक्टली फिट होनी चाहिए, लॉक एंड की मैकेनिज्म, तभी बाइंड कर सकता है ये. तो वो कहीं भी और जाके अपने आप को अटैच कर लेगा एंजाइम में. ऑब्वियसली इट कैन नॉट अटैच इटसेल्फ टू द एक्टिव साइट्स, बिकॉज एक्टिव साइट्स पे कौन सा मैकेनिज्म चलता है? लॉक एंड की मैकेनिज्म. एग्जैक्टली सेम वाली चीज यहाँ पे फिट होती है. So what will this I do? ये देखिए, I try to explain it to you. I binds at a site other than the active site. Can you see your enzyme, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
This is one active site. This is second active site. So हमारा ये जो I inhibitor है, this is not binding at the active site. Why do you think it is not binding?
Due to its shape.
Yes, due to its shape. So it is
Shape.
binding. It is binding here. यहाँ भी हो सकता है, यहाँ भी, कहीं भी हो सकता है. Except for the active site, वो कहीं भी bind कर जाएगा. Now, as soon as it binds with the enzyme, the shape of the enzyme changes. देखो active sites की भी shape change हो गई है. Can you see the active site here and the active site here?
Yes.
Active sites are changing or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. बेटा अगर active site ऐसी बन जाएगी तो क्या मेरा ये वाला substrate, ये वाला जो पहले है, ये क्या इसमें fit हो पाएगा? इस तरह की active site अगर बन गई तो इसमें
No, ma'am.
because lock and key mechanism के according चले तो ये इसमें fit होगा ही नहीं. So active site has changed now. What has also changed after this inhibitor is binding to this enzyme, though it is not binding at the active site, but इसका effect ऐसे आएगा कि active site change हो जाएगी, ऐसी shape आ गई इसकी. अब original substrate molecule will not be able to bind over here, so no product will be formed. First case में 50% product फिर भी बन रहा था. If you see, इसमें तो substrate fit हो रहा था, ये block हो जा रहा था. But non-competitive में अगर आप देखो तो ये बेशक एक्टिव साइट पे बाइंड नहीं करेगा, but it will spoil the shape or it will change the shape of the active sites. So even the substrate is not able to bind to this enzyme. So do you think product will be formed?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Even the substrate वो खुद तो fit नहीं हो पा रहा है, वो ऐसी shape change कर देगा कि वो substrate को भी fit नहीं होने देगा. And so product is not at all formed. So just in one step, the product formation is stopped. Immediately stop हो जाएगा. As soon as it will bind here, product formation will stop over here. The best way to understand is the effect of cyanide. I'm sure आपने cyanide के बारे में जरूर सुना होगा बेटा. What have you heard about cyanide? Something you must have heard about cyanide, children.
Sorry, ma'am, correlated to apple seeds.
It is present in apple seed.
Yes, it is there in apple seeds and it is very, very what?
Poisonous.
Poison.
Yes, very
Ma'am,
poisonous.
toxic.
This is the toxin or this is the poison which gives instant death, cyanide. Other poisons take time, but cyanide leads to instant death. Now I'll explain it to you कि why cyanide leads to instant death. बेटा उसमें यही वाला mechanism चल रहा है, non-competitive inhibition हो रहा है. कैसे हो रहा है? Understand this. If you have understood non-competitive inhibition, बहुत easily समझ जाओगे. Cyanide binds to